The Bank of South Sudan has clarified a recent remark made by its governor, distancing itself from claim that it planned to print money specifically to pay civil servant salaries. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's report on Tuesday, July 2022, 2025, a report published quoting Governor Dr. Addis Ababa. Dr. Addis Ababa was saying there was an urgent need to print more currency to meet liquidity demands. The statement was reportedly made during a briefing to the Transitional National Legislative Assembly and aired by the state broadcaster SSBC. In the short-term plan, that is what they said, we have made it very clear that there is an urgent need for us to print money just to meet the high demand right now on liquidity. He added that a committee led by the first deputy governor has been tasked to find a long-term solution for cash management through the national payment strategy. Well, central bank say they are not going to print the money. However, the bank quickly issued a clarification on Wednesday, which is on July 23rd, through its Director of Communication and Public Relations, Majok Nicodemo Arrow. In his statement, Arrow stressed that the central bank has no legal authority to print money for the purpose of paying salaries. Such action should be outside the bank's legal mandate as outlined in the Bank of South Sudan Act 2011, amended in 2023, he said. Arrow referenced Section 64 to 69 of the Act, which clearly defined the relationship between the bank and the government. He explained that budget shortfalls are handled through government borrowing, not through currency printing. In June, the Minister of Finance and Planning, Dr. Marial Dongrin, admitted the minister had been paying salaries without cash due to a national liquidity crisis. He made the remark during the swearing-in of Governor Dr. Ruto and First Deputy Samuel Yanga Mikaya. In another financial development on Friday, July 18, 2025, the Bank of South Sudan officially recognized mobile money as a legal method of payment across the country, equivalent to cash or bank transfer. As economic pressure continued to build, both the Minister of Finance and the central bank face mounting challenge to stabilize cash flow, manage inflation, and maintain public confidence. So the Bank of South Sudan has clarified a recent remark made by its governor, distancing itself from claim that it planned to print money specifically to pay civil servant salaries. So there's no money. And this is the report that they have put forward so that the citizen can understand that the South Sudan bank is not ready to print money at this moment, and the civil servant have to wait for the money to reach them. This is what I have. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.